One unexpected bill is all it takes to push most people into debt, not because they're careless, but because they're unprepared. This video will show you what an emergency fund really is and the exact apps that make it easy. Your phone breaks, salary is delayed, something goes wrong. Most people panic, borrow, or swipe a card, not because emergencies are rare, but because savings don't exist. What an emergency fund is. An emergency fund is money set aside only for emergencies. Not shopping, not lifestyle, not enjoyment. It's financial insurance. People think they need discipline. They don't. They need automation. Solution: apps that automate saving. The easiest way to build an emergency fund is to remove willpower. PiggyVest, automatic daily, weekly savings, plus lock savings. Cowrywise, auto-save plus low-risk investments. Kuda, digital bank with savings vaults. ALAT, automated goal-based saving. Fair Money, flexible plus lock savings with interest. These apps save money for you before you can spend it. How much to save? Start small. 50,000 to 100,000 naira or $500 to $1,000 handles most emergencies. Later, grow it to 3 to 6 months of expenses. Where to keep it? Emergency money should be safe, boring, and accessible. Not crypto, not risky investments. Savings apps or high-interest savings accounts. Mindset shift. Emergency funds don't make you rich. They stop emergencies from making you poor. If you want money systems that protect you before problems happen, subscribe.